So run this, okay, run the file. And you just need to, this is the JUnit file, okay, JUnit runner. We can see here, cucumber.class @run with annotation is belongs to JUnit. So you can see annotations also here. So run with cucumber options. And so just right click. So run as JUnit test. Run as JUnit test you selected. So all the test cases it will run. Even you can use a cucumber also. Cucumber also you can do that. It's very fast, so not like a Selenium. So Selenium you need all the, so browser has to open all these things, right? For rest assured and API testing, you don't need a browser, you don't need a Selenium at all. See, all are done. See, a fraction of a second, right? Everything is done. So you can see the output here. You can see the output. You can see the output here. So each step and the respective method. See here, the smoke and the step name, that respective method. The step name, respective method. See, this is how the mapping you will get. That's the mono, because of monochrome, you made it a true. If you make it false, so see what will happen if you make it false and run the report, what will happen. So, but I'll show you that. Before that, I want to show you more reports. Okay, so let's go and see the reports. So even you can see the reports here. So you see this, they will give view your cucumber report at this. So this also you can use this. Go and copy paste in the browser. Open the browser, and in the browser you can see this. So you will get a report. It's loading. Okay, it's going to load. See that 100% passed, 10 executed 2 minutes ago, and 11.12 seconds only. So each report you can see expand, and you can see step by step your feature file and example section. See pass or fail, you can see a tick mark, right? So that's the beauty of this cucumber. That's why everybody loves this BDD cucumber. So step by step you can get the status. The feature wise, the feature file wise, scenario wise, again you will get the report. So this is the advantage. And same, you can see, you can get the report here also. So let's go and get the report under our project. Refresh. So you can see there under target, we put in the target, right? Can you see JSON underscore output, J8 underscore XML? So here also you will get this. This is also another report, XML report, all in the XML format. Let me show you all the reports. See that? Test suite, cucumber, test case, request get API feature. The feature name is the test case name. Then, so request get API feature. So different, okay. Each scenario is one test case they're taking. And see, can you see here? System output. Given, so that status. When step, that status. Then step, the status. So step wise, what is the status, you will get it. So like that, you can see all the things here. So this is the XML file, easily understandable format. And then same, you can see the JSON output, JSON format you will get. Right click and take this. And you can see the report also. But this looks odd, but you need to understand in the JSON format. Maybe this is not their JSON format. You can go to the proper JSON formats. You can understand. So I can go to JSON Pathfinder, okay? I can paste it there. So this entire value, so copy and paste it here. So beautify, get a proper. See, each one you'll get a regress get API feature. So all of them you'll get. This one, delete API feature, post API feature. So put API feature. So all tags are there, right? You can see the tags. You can get the elements. So different elements. See elements under you have a different scenario. Each element is one scenario. 2 second scenario, third scenario. So like this, you can find out the status of each one. So element 0, name, so description, ID, type, keyword, steps. These are all the steps again for each scenario. Result, so matches. So what is the keyword used? So like this, you can location, where this the step is implemented. You can find out like this all the clear steps. See the smoke test. So like that, you can find out a regression test, tags also. So regression test. Okay. So this is the JSON, bit difficult to understand. Okay. Otherwise, you can understand easily here. See, this is the easy way to understand. Instead of right-hand side, left-hand side one, you can understand easily. Steps. So result passed. This step. So the result is passed. So then second one, given, passed. So like this, you can so easily go through this if you are familiar with the JSON format. So these are some of the very useful reports. Okay. Any questions? That's all about this one. So let's go and push this code to GitHub. How to push this code to GitHub? So you need to create a same structure. So go here, properties. So go to the location. So this is the one, right? Same this with this name, you go and create it. Right click, show more, open the Git bash. Open the Git bash. I'm pushing the code. How I'm going to push this? First, make this as a git init. So initialize the git init. So it will be a git. It will become a git. Now I'm going to create so similar kind of folder in the GitHub. Let's log into GitHub. GitHub.com. I'm pushing the code. Okay, I'm pushing the code to GitHub. So let me log in. As I enabled the 2-factor authentication. The message, I don't know why message didn't come. I'll ask resend. This time I got it. 826-908. Okay, so now you go on the top right side, new repository, create a new repository. So I'm going to create a same name I'm going to give. And so is available. Okay, that means he is saying REST API repo. So is I'm making it a public. Okay, just create repository. So then execute all these commands. Okay, execute all these commands one by one. So similar, execute all these commands. Paste it. Okay, so done. Next git init we did already. So git add readmd. So I'm adding the. You need to add more, right? So you have a lot of git status you do to find out how many are there. See, a lot of files are there. You have to modify. You have to add all of them. So already existing, you need to map this local. This is the local repository, right? With this remote repository, you need to map. First, do this git add all of them. So just git add dot. So all the files will be added. Then git commit -m. Say REST API repo. So all of them, so you git branch. I'm executing these commands one by one. Okay, so these commands, just execute all these commands. I'm just converting into master to main. Okay, so main branch. So then sync that remote repository and local repository. So this is my local repository. So in the git bash, whatever, this is local repository. I'm syncing up with a git remote add origin. I'm adding the remote repository to this one. I synced up. Now you do the git push. So that you're pushing the code to remote. So pushing the code to remote. So see, the code has come here. So new branch, main. So that has come. Now just refresh here. The entire code has come here. So this is how you can see this, right? So this is how you can push the code to the remote repository. Very simple. So that's all about API testing, git commands, and even you can clone it. You can just go click on this, take this copy and clone it. I told you already how to clone, how to import into Eclipse, how to run. Even you don't need to write the code. I just my code, you can clone it and then add it to Eclipse. Then you can run it, entire code. So that's how you can do. Any modifications extra you want to do, you can do that. You can do that. Okay. So that's all about API testing, entire automation. And we only have a few resume points I want to discuss. So resume points, I'll cover in the next 6 minutes, 5 minutes. This class I'll cover basic interview questions. Then maybe next class on our Monday class, maybe first class, my Sunday class. Okay, my Sunday class. Just maybe first half an hour is enough. So we'll just wind up with the resume points, and then we can close the session. So end of course. So if you have any queries, please let.
So sorry, you told the monogram you make it false, right, sir? You told you show that one.
Let's run this, okay? Just monochrome, okay? So you can just run it. Please from here. I'll run it. Maven clean first. Let's do the Maven clean. Through Maven file also we need to run, right? So through Maven file also you can run. Stall. So this also will help you. I think report you're getting properly, but generally you won't get like this. Hey, all are passed. But you will get here something, the kind of some dots and everything. It will be ugly, but now you are getting properly. So that means this is false or true. It doesn't matter here. Generally, you will get here. Let me run here from here. I think. It. Can you see here? Can you see now the console output?
Yes.
So this is how you will get if there is a false. But if you do Maven clean, it's giving properly, even irrespective of false. And also I want to show tags, right? I want to run only smoke. So why it is throwing? Because you enabled one more line, you have to put a comma here. That's important. I'll enable back this monochrome as a true. See, now only smoke test cases will run. Only smoke test cases will run. Remaining won't run. That's how you can control. If you want to run only one thing. See which are all the things it has run. See, get API to list all users, only one. Delete API, smoke. Request post API to create a user. And update user. So these are all smoke is there. You can see that. This one is the smoke. And sorry. This one is a smoke. First one, first scenario. And this one is a smoke, put method. And get method is the smoke. That's why only those things are run. Remaining are not run. So you don't need to waste time, right? That's why it saves the time. Which one you want to run, you can run it. So that's the controlling of test cases, how to run. You put another one. Okay.
If you do regression means it will run only regression test.
Okay. So that's all. Maybe next class we'll cover interview questions and resume preparation. You can be ready. Okay. That's all.